Three Indian Air Force officers were found accountable for the BrahMos missile misfire incident. All three have been terminated from services. The services of three Indian Air Force officers were terminated on August 23rd in connection with the BrahMos missile misfire incident. Two among them were wing commanders and one a group captain. A BrahMos missile was accidentally fired on March 9, 2022. A court of inquiry set up to establish the facts of the case, including fixing responsibility for the incident, found that deviation from the standard operating procedures by three officers led to the accidental firing of the missile. These three officers were primarily held responsible for the incident. The BrahMos missile got accidentally fired from an airbase and landed inside Pakistan at a place called Mia Channu. The Pakistan government had registered its objection to the incident, but much before that, an investigation was launched by India. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh on March 15 stated that a high level probe was ordered into the incident that involved the accidental launch of a missile into Pakistani territory.